film shoot going on there, music video. And then, well, yeah, this is a new park or garden. Me or Hugo, neither of us have been in this one. I don't know how many gardens there are. Oh, not yet, man. Later. He wants to go home and watch cartoons. No, not yet. We done it this morning. Okay, what's not feeling the stairs. I'm trying to avoid as many stairs. Yeah, agua fountain, I agree. Let's find more of those. Okay, this is interesting. I've not been here, but I think it's just going to go right to the road. Look at that big old tree, Hugo. It's pretty, I don't know, I was going to say beautiful. Such a cliche word for everything, isn't it? Call it handsome. It's a handsome tree. This little walkway looks good. Right, we're gonna have to go up here. Yeah, yes, we will find. Hold on. What's our best way? Up here. Shall I just continue recording? Right. Here you go. Need you to hold that. Can you hold that for Papa? Hold it tight, please. Keep hold of it. Oomba! Good boy. Keep hold of it. Keep hold of it. Good boy. Careful you don't bump your head. Sorry, it was shaking there. Well done. Do you want to hold it for me? Hold it straight. Good boy. It's a camera. Well done. Not too close. Well, it'll just be your pretty face. Your handsome face. Here, can I take it? Just so I get a little straight. You're my little travel buddy, Hugo. Oh, you see that tiny bird? Look at the view. Okay, it's quite good coming this way, huh, Hugo? Wow. We got away from all the tourists. Okay. Let's see the end here. The beach. It's not hot enough for the beach. We can visit the beach for a run around. Got preserve batch. Huh? You see the mountains? We were meant to go up in the hills today, but we've been detoured by this. I think this is our day out here. Maybe we'll go to the city centre after. Let's just walk to the end of here. Wow, no tourists or anything here. There's a good view. And reggae music. Curious.